Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope you're well. Guys, I'm excited. Today is that day that we've all been waiting. You're going to build this amazing, stunning, and professional website all by yourself. But don't you worry, I'll be with you every step of the way. And we'll not just stop there. I will show you how to deploy your website using the best practice that supports continuous deployment. What is continuous deployment? You may ask. Well, it's a software development workflow where whenever you make any change to your production code, your website will automatically redeploy, making sure your website users gets the new changes or features as soon as possible without any manual intervention. All you need to do is just to make changes in your code, push your code to cloud, and then your website will automatically redeploy. I'm even going to show you how you can integrate your website with a custom domain so that it's ready to even sell it to a customer and be paid for it. So I know you're excited as I am. Let's get started. By the way, I just want to pause here and appreciate all of you. We've reached 46 subscribers so far, as in 46 of you guys have subscribed to this channel. To some, that might look like a very small number, but to me, this is very, very special because it shows that there are real people out there who believe in what I'm doing. And this is only the beginning. Beyond the tutorials you see here, I'll be sharing more and more series with deeper and premium quality content to really help you grow and to level up your skills. If you ever face any technical challenge, don't hesitate to reach out. Just mention that we interacted in one of my videos and I will do my best to support you where I can. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for being part of this journey. Thank you. So we are going to start from scratch. So all I'll provide you are the starter files, some of the images that we're going to use. So all you need to do in the description below, you'll see a link written starter files. Just open the link and it will lead you to this page. So when you come to this page, all you need to do is on this green button, just look for a green button that says code. So click on it and then you'll see an option to download zip. So click download. It will only take a few seconds to download. So once you've done that, go to your downloaded file. It's a zipped file. Just right click on it and then you'll see an option to extract. If you don't see this option, there is another option of using a WinRAR, which is a lightweight program that allows you to extract zipped files. If you don't have WinRAR in your machine, just go to your browser. And then once you are here, just type WinRAR, download. In the first option, you will see an option to download WinRAR that is already configured to use the default language in your browser. But if you're using other languages, you can see this is the same program configured to use different languages. But for most of us, I'm sure we'll be okay with the first option. Yeah, so just click download. And again, it will take a few seconds. Once that is done, go to the place where you've downloaded your file. And then we have the steps here. Just double click on the downloaded file. And then it will take you to step 2, where all you need to do is just to say yes. And then you have an option to install, and then OK, and then done. By just doing that, you've installed WinRAR. So let's go back to our folder. So here we are. This is our zipped file. Again, click on it and then extract all, or use WinRAR to extract files. So I'm using that option. So OK. So now I have my folder extracted. So if I open the folder, I realize we have a folder within a folder. So I don't want that. So let me just rename the folder. I rename the folder to just read Delicious Bite Start. And then once I do that, I want to copy or cut, whichever option, and then go back to the place where I want to have my project. So just paste it there. So you can paste wherever you want to have your project set up. So in my case, I can just paste here. So in this folder, you can see we have images, media files, and some text. Yeah, so go to that folder, right click. Assuming you have VS Code Editor installed in your machine, if you click Show More Options, you will see an option to open with code. So let's say you don't have VS Code installed in your machine. What do? All you need to do is to install the VS Code editor. Again, go to your browser, type VS Code editor. And then once you do that, the first option, and then depending with your operating system, you will see an option to download. So in my case, I'm using Windows. So just click download. It will take a moment to download. So just give it a few minutes. So once that is done, go to your downloaded file, and then you will see VS Code setup. Double click to install, and then accept the agreement, click next. And then I want you to choose all these options. For example, create a desktop icon. This will enable you to easily access the app. And also you can add open with code action to Window Explorer. This will make sure that every time you have a file or a folder that you want to open with code, you can just right click and you'll see the option to open with code. With that, you can just say next and then install. So I don't want to install because I already have the program installed. So once you do that, go to your project starter folder and then right click on the folder. If you click show more options, you will see option to open with code. So you can use that option. Alternatively, you can just go to your app and choose VS Code editor or search VS Code editor. Open the editor. And then once you do that, you can just drag and drop your project. So I'm seeing my project is already here. But if I was to do that, I will just replace the existing project with this one. Yeah, so by doing that, you have our project. So we're actually ready to start.